Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you everything you need to know about the Rainbow Moon event and Grow a Garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Rainbow Moon event is a special limited time event that can happen at night. When it begins, the sky changes into beautiful rainbow colors, letting everyone know the event is active. And during this event, you have a chance to find rainbow seeds guys. These seeds are very valuable because they grow into special rainbow crops that can sell for much more than normal crops. As soon as the rainbow moon starts, don't waste any time guys. Run around the map and search for rainbow seeds before other players collect them. The faster you are, the better your chances of getting multiple seeds. If you really want to maximize your rewards, try playing on a private server or low population server with fewer players competing. I think you will have a much easier time finding the rainbow seeds. Thank you guys, and that's everything you need to know about the Rainbow Moon event. Good luck collecting rainbow seeds, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like below, and I'll see you in the next Grow a Garden 2 guide. Thank you so much for watching guys, and bye!